When I first started investing in rental properties, I thought the most important numbers were the big ones, the purchase price, the rent amount, maybe the rehab budget. But after years of owning rentals, I learned something that most new investors completely overlook. The real difference between investors who build wealth and investors who struggle is simple. They track every dollar. I'm talking about everything. Every repair, every utility bill, every maintenance call, every insurance payment, every late fee collected, every expense that touches that property. Because here's the truth most people don't realize. Rental properties don't fail because of one big mistake. They fail because of 100 small leaks in your finances that nobody is paying attention to. You might be collecting $1,500 a month in rent and think you're doing great. But if you're not tracking the details, you have no idea what's actually happening to that money. Let's say you had a small plumbing repair for $220, a lawn service for $80, a minor electrical issue for $150, pest control for $65, maybe a water bill that was higher than expected. Individually, those numbers don't feel like a big deal. But over the course of a year, those small expenses can quietly eat thousands of dollars of your profit. And if you're not tracking them, you won't even notice it happening. One of the biggest mistakes I see new landlords make is they only look at the bank balance. If there's money in the account, they assume the property is doing well. But a bank balance doesn't tell you the real story. You need to know your true numbers. What's your actual monthly cash flow? What are your maintenance costs per property? How much are you spending per unit per year? Are repairs going up? Are expenses trending higher? If you don't track it, you can't manage it. For example, when I track every dollar, I can quickly see if one property is costing me more than the others. Maybe the HVAC is getting old. Maybe plumbing issues keep popping up. Maybe the tenant is rough on the property. Without tracking those expenses, you're basically running your rental business blind. And remember, this is a business. A lot of people treat rental properties like a side project. But if you want rentals to create real wealth, you have to operate like a business owner. Businesses track numbers constantly. They track revenue. They track expenses. They track profit margins. They track trends. Rental investors should be doing the exact same thing. Tracking every dollar also helps you make smarter decisions. When you're looking at a new deal, you can estimate your numbers much more accurately because you know what your real expenses look like. You're not guessing. You're using real data from your own properties. It also helps you prepare for taxes, avoid surprises, and clearly understand how your portfolio is performing. And here's something else I've noticed. The investors who build the largest rental portfolios are almost always the ones who know their numbers the best. They know exactly how much each property produces. They know their operating costs. They know their cash flow. They know their return. They're not guessing. They're operating with clarity, and clarity is powerful. Because when you know your numbers, you can move faster, make better decisions, and scale your portfolio with confidence. That's why I track every dollar on my rentals. Not because I like spreadsheets, but because numbers tell the truth. If you're serious about building wealth through rental properties, start tracking everything today. Every expense, every payment, every dollar. Because the investors who win in the long run aren't the ones who buy the most properties. They're the ones who manage their numbers the best.